What's up guys, welcome all to a new video. In this video I'm going to be explaining how you can trade meme coins on Ethereum. So back in the 2 days Ethereum has been like exploding with meme coins. It all started with this coin called Asteroid. This coin hit about 200 mil and a lot of people made money on it, and this kind of started a rally on ETH, and a lot of traders are coming to it. So back in the day when you guys were trading, like you used to have like TG bots and stuff like Trojan and all to trade meme coins on Ethereum, but the game has changed now. The best way to trade meme coins on Ethereum is using trading terminals like GMGN or something like that. The best one is GMGN for sure. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set everything up. So basically you want to, I'll share the link in the description. Just click on the link and sign up on GMGN, and you want to like click on this tab and choose Ethereum. That will change the chain to Ethereum here. After that you want to deposit some ETH on this address here. So just I think just don't import your wallet, maybe just send some ETH to this wallet only, because if you like trade with the imported wallet, it will always ask you to do the approve for each transaction. This will just auto approve everything and will be just more faster. After that you just come here and just enable this instant trade here, and you just preset the amounts here. So point 0.1, point 0.2. So if you just click on it, the transaction will just go through without any worries, and it will be just more seamless and faster. So how do you find good coins on Ethereum right now? So I think there are like a lot of ways to do that. One is to track wallets, good wallets here. I'll drop my wallets in the TG group and link the TG group to the YouTube description. You'll be able to import all the wallets here. So you can just click on this import button and just copy paste that, and it will just import all the wallets here, and you'll be able to see all the buys and sells. So I just click on this and you'll be able to see. Another way is to just look at the new page. So just go to trending here and just click on new page, and you'll be able to see what is getting deployed. And you want to like enable this 1 minute volume. It kind of shows you what is new. So this token was just launched 90 minutes ago, and it is already at 46k. I saw this at like 5k, and you can see the dex is kind of paid here. So yeah, you can see the dex is paid, and it's not like a rug or anything because the contract is announced. It's not locked though, but it's fine. And you can just check the holders and stuff. How many, like what I check is like what is the token about. So I can click on this, whatever. Okay, Cairo is just like a dolphin, and if I just click on it, you will be able to see the Telegram group and just check it out, what's happening in the Telegram and stuff like that. So basic stuff. It's like ETH itself. Another thing is the dex. The only the token symbol and the banner here comes on GMGN only if they pay the dex. So that's why a lot of tokens you see have no logos and stuff like that. So see, if there's no logos on these tokens because dex has not been paid on this. You generally want to look into something that ran a bit, like at least this Cairo. This was running on Sol also. Yes, you'll get the hang of it from here. And if you click on the tokens, you'll be able to see the holders, top traders, and the dev wallet information here. You just want to know if this is a good dev. This is just a fresh dev right now. This is only like launch one token here. So that doesn't matter, but there will be some good devs that launch, and there will be like tokens that are ran before that dev though. So that's kind of bullish. I mean, like, there's a lot of info, I know. So you just have to like play with it and learn. Try with small amounts. But if you like hit something like Asteroid, you'll just make a lot of money on it. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll link all the near things in the description. Bye bye, guys.